Hello, doctor. I'm Upender. Today I have brief discussion about Carnival Cruise Line, and these are my team members. And first thing about Carnival Cruise Line, we have some key facts about Carnival Cruise Line. Here, here the passengers traveling in the Carnival Cruise Line is all-time high. This shows the strength of the Carnival cruise industry. And next one, fun ships is always successful thought in Corporation, which bought food profits with the vacation business. And in North America, cruise vacationing was the fastest growing category in travel industry. Here, most of the cruises in travel or in Carnival are the first time cruises where the repeated cruisers are very less. And next, the main failure of the Carnival cruise is attracting the repeated sailors, but it always sailed with maximum number of passengers. Carnival always tried to narrow the gap between the customers' perceptions and ongoing quality improvement. Here, since Carnival Cruise vacation business is growing high and demand for cruising boom, so more than 130 ships were launched in cruising industry, which has given a great competition for the Carnival Cruise. Carnival Cruise advertised via various channels like national TV and promotions in more than 200 newspapers and marketing through travel agents and PVPs. And there are different types of entertainment and activities organized in the Carnival Cruise, such as casinos, bars, discos for youth, and restaurants and playing activities for children, and several other games, which is Carnival's success. This the product design is the critical success of the Carnival Cruise, and and here Carnival Cruise Line is operated in four segments, and they are contemporary and premium and destination and luxury. And from next, here we have key issues. And first key issue is the first and foremost thing, most key issue, key factor of the Carnival Cruise Line is how to increase the repeated customers. Here I have three alternative course of actions, and first one is increasing amenities, second one is introducing discounts and offers, and third one is entertainment and hospitality. And coming to increasing amenities, for for everything we have some pros and some cons. Here some pros about increasing amenities, but as we know that if you introduce anything, we have some pros and we have some cons. So first of all, I'm gonna tell you about pros. By this, Carnival get good reviews in people. As we know, good infrastructure increases the customer satisfaction rate, and planning a trip to the most popular locations while cruising to attract the customers, this may increase the repeated customers. And whereas we have some problems and we have some cons. By this increasing amenities, it costs more for changing infrastructure and those things. Here, if we want to change the infrastructure, we need to change it for every year, so it requires a lot of manpower and maintenance. It implies that we require more employees. And here, second one is introducing discounts and offers. Here some pros. It By this, it increases the rate of repeated customers, and those who spend more money in traveling can easily attract it towards a cruise. This can increase the business inside the cruise. And last one is people quickly get attracted to discounts. And here some cons are there. If it flops, if majority customers are spending less money inside the cruise, then no use of introducing discounts and offers. And by this, finance management is a big task. And third one is entertainment and hospitality. I think this is a good thing to introduce in Carnival Cruise. We have some pros here. Effective hospitality makes the customers to visit again. So entertainment with movies in theaters, concerts and shows makes the people to visit again to see their famous personalities. Like for example, if I want to to go and cruising, so I just like to do I just like to see the famous personalities. So may so like my mentality, and so many people they like to go in cruising. So from for here, some cons are there, like uh, like organizing concerts is difficult process, and here hospitality needs more employees. Like organizing concerts means we have to arrange concerts, and we have to bring so many people from different countries, so it's a difficult process. And here recommend what I recommend is I can choose I, I I suggest you to go with the second and third alternative, that is entertainment and hospitality with discount, so by which customer satisfaction increases and there will be chance of repeated customers. And second key issue is maintaining co- it's difficult to maintain customer relationship. Here I have three alternative courses of action. First one is globalization and improving the telecommunication telecommunication using the internet. And second one is developing the web based interaction, and third one is collecting the customer reviews. For first one, globalization and improving the telecommunication using the internet, we have some pros. By this they can make direct interaction with the customers, and carnival team gets to know the customer expectation exactly. And third one is, in this case, without travel agencies profits can be made. Here, if you communicate with the direct if we communicate directly with the customers, there is no need of a travel agency, so we can make good profits. And here some cons are there. Globalization needs improvement in IS infrastructure, and here again we need more manpower, and this implies carnival budget increase. And the second one is developing the web-based interaction. So we have some pros here. Customers get more information by surfing in website, so they can easily contact the carnival cruise management, so they don't need to ask anyone, or they don't need to contact travel agencies. This is a good thing. And offers and discounts of the cruise line can be directly known to the customers. By this, they can collect customers' full information before they enter into the cruise. And so here some cons for this. Information system infrastructure should be developed and need to be updated with the customer demands and views. So these are the some cons for this. And and third one is collecting the customer reviews. Here I have some pros for this. Here we can rectify problems by the customers facing we can rectify the problems facing by the customers while cruising, and identifying the inconvenience of the passengers while traveling. And third one is cruise faults, and they can find out the careless employees, and they should be fired out. Here, if you do surveys and reviews like that, they can find the faults of a cruise, and what they are doing, what mistakes they are doing, and what they're gonna do, and what they need to do, and what they need to improve. So like that, they can know, and they can know uh, those who are doing not well, and those who are performing not well, so they can fire their employees. And here's some cons for this. Some passengers may not have interest in reviewing, and this then it may be a time waste process. And if you don't collect any information, that will be a waste of time. So in this case, some customers may give false reviews, so we may get a false review. So some kind of cons are there. And for this recommended I recommend taking customer reviews and globalization for the better relationship with the customer. And by taking the customer reviews, we can find our faults, and we can take care of that. That will know will they don't repeat in future. So for further action can be taken on employees based on this customer reviews. So I recommend these two things. So third key issue is improving software applications. Here I have three alternatives. First one is introducing different types of software applications. Second one is changing IT infrastructure and improving web page design. And first one is introducing different ways of software application. Here we have some pros. Uh, it if by introducing good applications we can reach the carnival cruise can reach the customers easily, and by the different ways of applications they can attract the customer minds. For this issue we have some cons. Developing cost is very high, and if it's a failure it's waste of time and money. Second one is changing IT infrastructure. For this we have some pros. So customers interaction through the telecommunication increases. So by this we can increase the interaction with the customers, and this is a easy and fast work for employees, and we don't need much employees. Mm, so some cons are there. So here we need to recruit some technical employees, and we need to recruit some staff. So this is some cons, and we have some but expenditure is high, so waste of the old stuff and which is being used. So this is some kind of cons. So next one is improving web page design. So we have some pros here, and discrete interaction with the customers through website. By we can interact with the customers by through websites, and they can use our websites and they can book the tickets by themselves. So this can avoid the travel agencies. um, and we can share the data with the customers, and we can advertise through the websites. This is easy to interact with the customers and easy to find interest of customers. But so I think this is a good thing, and we have some cons as I already told. So for everything we have some cons. So web page development is a critical process, and it takes it's it takes some time, and it's it takes some time. Consumption for interaction will be lower, and by this from if you only depend on this website and web page, it's a slow improvement of business. So some people may not surf in nets, and so this is helpful for only the people of educated people. So if they so it is not suitable for uneducated people. Mm, and for this I recommend option 1 and 2. I think it, it works better for the data student, and for quick response for the customers, and we can improve the direct bookings instead of depending on the travel agents for sailing cruises. However, I said that this is the best thing for educated people, and they can book the tickets by directly through the website, and this can increase their profits. However, even though the installation cost is high, but at the same time we can make good results for with this. So by this I can conclude that so Carnival Cruise is a good cruise line, but it always makes a good revenue, and it always may sail with the maximum number of people, and it's a good cruiser to travel. So thank you.